Hello everyone, this is Ashwini working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, PS College, Mandya. Today in this session, let us understand about the experiment on impact of jet on vanes. The main aim of the experiment is to determine coefficient of impact for different vanes, that is fixed, flat as well as hemispherical vane, and also to determine the efficiency of both the vanes. So to begin with, we need the operators such as impact of jet on vane, different kinds of vanes, dead weights and also weight, measuring tank which is fitted to the piezometer, scale, stopwatch to note down the time, and mainly the supply of water. Let us understand the definition of the nozzle. Nozzle is a tube of reduced cross-sectional area which is fitted to a pipe in order to increase the velocity. In nozzle, pressure energy is converted into kinetic energy, so the water which is coming out of the nozzle is always have high velocity. The fluid having high velocity means the fluid have high kinetic energy. Jet is nothing but continuous stream of water which is coming out of the nozzle which is having high velocity. Whenever a jet strikes a vane, it exerts a force on the vane which is called as hydrodynamic force. This force exerted by the jet on the vane is nothing but impact of jet on vanes. Impact of jet on vanes works on Newton's second law of motion, which states that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the impressed force and takes place in the same direction in which the force acts. That is, we have F is equal to m into A, where A is acceleration. So here F is equal to mass of liquid flowing per second into change in velocity. The mass of liquid flowing per second is nothing but density into corresponding flow into change in velocity, that is V1 minus V2. Let us consider the flat vane which is fixed and the water is flowing through the pipe and finally it emerges out of the nozzle. In theory classes, you had derived that F theoretical can be calculated by the equation omega A V square divided by G, where omega is specific weight of water, that is 9810 Newton per meter cube. Similarly, let us consider the curved vane for which F theoretical is calculated by the equation omega A V square divided by G into 1 plus cos theta. So when theta becomes 0, that is cos 0 is 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1 will become 2. Therefore, F theoretical is calculated by the equation 2 omega A V square divided by G, which is nothing but theoretical force for hemispherical vane. The figure shows experimental setup for impact of jet on vanes. Here first we have to note down the diameter of the nozzle and hence calculate the cross-sectional area of the nozzle, and also note down the values of L1 and L2, where L1 is the distance from the center to the hanger weight and L2 is the distance from the center to the hinge. To begin with, we have to add some amount of weight to the hanger and note down how much weight you have added and hence balance the lever arm. For the same flow, collect some amount of water in the measuring tank for the known height h and hence determine Q actual. Q actual is determined by the equation AH divided by T, where A is area of the measuring tank, H is height of water for which we have collected the water in the piezometer divided by time taken to collect that water. Then determine theoretical force by using the equation omega A V square divided by G for flat vane. Then determine actual force by using the equation W into L1 plus L2 divided by L2, where W is the weight in terms of newtons. In the experiment, you had added the weight in terms of grams. In order to get weight in terms of Newton, multiply that with 9.81. F1. Then finally determine the coefficient of impact for the vein, that is by using the relationship F actual divided by F theoretical. Then efficiency of the vein is determined by the equation Ci into 100, and hence tabulate the results. Coefficient of impact of the particular vein is so and so, and efficiency of the vein as some amount of percentage. The table shows tabular column which is same for both vertical fixed vein and also hemispherical vein.
Experimental setup for impact of jet on veins. Here the main aim of the experiment is to determine coefficient of impact as well as efficiency of both flat and hemispherical vein. This is, first we should note down the diameter of the nozzle. Here diameter of the nozzle is 9.5 mm, and also note down the lever arm distances L1 and L2, where L1 is the distance from the center to the hanger weight and L2 is the distance from center to this fulcrum, where L1 is 25 cm and L2 is 20 cm. So before starting the experiment, for flat vein we have to adjust this lever arm to the horizontal scale by adding the hanger weight, and for hemispherical vein, without the hanger weight we have to balance this lever arm to horizontal position. Why? Because flat vein is light and hemispherical vein is heavy. So that's why we have to balance this lever arm. So here in this experiment we have attached hemispherical vein. So you can see the hemispherical vein, and also note down the area of the measuring tank, which is 0.4 meters square. So here it is the measuring tank in which piezometer is fitted to this measuring tank, where we will calculate the Q actual. So by knowing Q actual we can determine the velocity. Now let's start the experiment. Here the dead weight of the hanger is 125 grams and hanger weight is 125 grams, and also other weight, that is 100 grams is added. So by adjusting the delivery valve we have to make this lever arm to horizontal. So now let's start the experiment. Operating the valve, make this lever arm to be horizontal. By operating the valve, make the lever arm horizontal. For the same supply of water, collect the known height in the measuring tank, which is 0.4 by 0.4 meters square. Also note down the time. Again increase the weight, and hence again balance the lever arm by adjusting the delivery head. Again the experiment is repeated. In the same way, experiment is repeated for flat vein, and readings are tabulated in the given tabular column.